I'm not a person who bothers much with cooked breakfasts. I usually just have some cereals or milk or yogurt in the mornings. But occasionally what I like to do is overnight oats. And they're very simple to make, and you can use up different fruits, nuts that you have available. You can alter it, you can experiment. So what you basically do is measure out the sort of portion of oats that you want for yourself. I'm going to make 3 varieties today. Oops, a little bit mess. That's that. So I'm going to make 3 varieties today. The first one is going to be based on bananas. And like I say, it's important to measure out because you need to put in the equal amount of milk so as it soaks the oats up. That's done. And this first one here, I'm going to use banana. So I've cut up, diced around half a largish banana. Obviously this is 1 portion for myself, so you can, depends, like I say, on the size of the jar. So that's that done, and on top of that I'm going to put some peanut butter. And then I'm going to put a little bit of cinnamon. And then finally, I'm going to put some sliced almonds. So that one's ready. I'm going to put the lid on it. That's ready for the fridge. The next one I'm going to do, I'm going to use up some pineapple chunks that I've got. I'm going to put those in. It's quite a lot of them actually, but I want to use them up. And on top of that, I'm going to put some chocolate hazelnut Nutella type thing. I'm going to put some more of that in. And then finally, I'm going to use some mixed fruit and nuts that I have that I usually mix in with my cereals in the morning. These have got raisins, walnuts, almonds, some other fruit. So I'm going to top that up, and that's that one done. And my final one is, I actually don't have this very often, but it's the same thing, but instead of using milk, we use very strong coffee. I mean, you can use whatever type of coffee you like. Actually, embarrassingly, I'm a person who doesn't like strong coffee, and this, I've made it from instant coffee, but you can use espresso or any type of coffee that you want. So that's that. I think I'm going to put some more oats in there. It was the same measurement, but it looks a little bit thin. And actually, normally when I have coffee, I don't have sugar in it, but because I made this like 3 times as strong as I normally have with milk, I'm going to put some honey in it just to sweeten it up a little bit. And then finally, I'm going to put some almonds in there, and also a little bit of cinnamon. So that one's ready. So the main thing now is that you need to take these and put them in the fridge overnight. Actually the oats will soften in about 3 hours, 4 hours, but there isn't much point in doing that for if you were going to use them as the breakfast. So you can make them the day before. Once they're in the fridge, they will keep for like 5 days or something. And what I really like about these is it's really nice if I'm parked up somewhere scenic, you know, on a beach or in the mountains, and I get up in the morning and I want to walk to a viewpoint or sit on the beach or on a rock somewhere, and I take this with me, take a spoon, mix it up, and I've got a breakfast and I've got a beautiful view. So it's just something that you should try, and like with a lot of my recipes, just experiment, use what you like, put in what you like. The main base is the oats. You can use different types of oats as well, and you can also put in some seeds, you know, like chia seeds or poppy seeds or something like that. So just think about it and just experiment and find the perfect mixture for yourself. So I'm going to put these in the fridge and they'll be ready tomorrow morning. Good morning, and what a beautiful morning it is. The sun's shining, it's warm. I've just took my breakfast out of the fridge. It's been soaking all night, so the oats will be smooth, soft and succulent. And I'm going to have the banana and almond overnight oats jar this morning. And yeah, I'm going to get outside and really enjoy that, looking at some beautiful scenery. Okay, I can't tell a lie. It's cold outside, it's drizzling with the rain, it's pretty depressing. So I'm going to have my breakfast here, but at least I can give you a live taste test of what it is like. So I'm going to first of all mix it up, because the bananas is on top of the oats and the almonds are on top of that. So I'm going to give it a good mix up. A little bit messy, and let's see how it tastes. That is beautiful. I mean, it's still nice and chilled from the fridge. The oats are soft, they're soaked up all the milk, but it's just the right consistency. It's not too dry and it's not too wet. And yeah, I mean, it's quite a big jar full, but I usually have this as a late breakfast, so we'll manage it. If the weather was nice, it would be beautiful to take outside, but I'm just going to eat it here. It's an early start for me, so I'm going to have my overnight oats with coffee and the nuts on top. It's going to be a bit strong for me because I don't like strong coffee, as I mentioned, so I'm actually going to put a spoon of yogurt in just to make it, oh my god, made a mess of the jar, just to make it a little bit lighter. So I'm going to mix it all in, so as the nuts are distributed amongst the coffee and oats. And let's just see if it's still going to be too strong for me, because I normally don't like strong coffee. Let's have a taste. Yeah, it's still strong coffee taste, but it's going to waken me up and I'm going to be alive and kicking in 5 minutes time. Another cold, chilly day outside, so I won't be going into the nature to have my overnight oats, so I'll have to have it here. This is the one with the pineapple chunks and fruit and nut mixture. The fruit and nut mixture is quite chunky, so I need to give that a good stir to get it mixed in. And of course the pineapple chunks and the chocolate Nutella type stuff as well needs to be mixed in. A bigger jar would probably be better. That's looking better. So let's give this a taste test for you. That's really tasty. It's nice and sweet. I can taste the chocolate, and actually the pineapple's nice because it gives some sharpness. So I'm going to get stuck into that and really enjoy it.